So there's going to be a wedding today between the Harley Benton HB35 and a wiring harness and pickups from Jonesy Blues. Oops, bad lighting, I haven't turned any lights on. So this is my Christmas present for my wife. A couple of Kalamazoo PAFs, wiring harness for a 335 with the toggle switch on the upper bow, which I love. I really judge a guitar on where the toggle switch is, and I love it on the upper bow. So, here goes nothing. All right, so the HB35 is back from the install with the Jonesy Blues Kalamazoo PAFs and new wiring harness and a new switch. And I also ended up upgrading the tuning pegs. They're a D'Addario locking, which I had never tried them, but the guys at the music store said they were highly recommended. So I gave them a shot. A little more expensive than what I've paid in the past for locking tuners, but D'Addario is a pretty well-known brand, so we'll give them a shot. They're easy to install, seem to do the job. These strings were brand new, and it changed the environment from the install place to my house in the basement here. So the strings haven't been fully stretched out, so if it goes out of tune, well, that's because it's wood, and that's what it does. So anyway, not too much talking. Harley Benton, I like it. This is a heavy guitar. I was really surprised that a semi-hollow body would be this heavy, but it is heavy. I think it's because of bulk. Plays nice, good action. I ran these pickups through my tube amp, and I think they sounded pretty good. So now we're going to hear it through my pod and find out what happens there. So Jonesy Blues at jonesyblues.com. He did the pickups for me, and these are special order pickups. These are not on his website, but he had them on his YouTube channel. They're called the Kalamazoo PAFs, and they're kind of honky, like you'd get out of a 59 PF. You know, the people are always looking to get that tone. And then this is just this custom wiring harness with 500K CTS pots, Switchcraft switch, vitamin C. Why can't I think of the name? You know what I'm talking about. Duh. Brain farts. Anyway, capacitors. That's what they are. Hello. I don't write any of this stuff down. I just have to go from memory, and I get a lot of things in my mind. Anyway, so without further ado, I don't really know what I'm going to play today. I'm probably just going to clean channel, just go through some riffs, and then dirty it up. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking, I'm sure. As I go through these channels, you'll figure out what's going on. So I'm going to shut up and play. Yay! Well, that's distorted. I was going to start with clean. Yeah, brilliant. So that's it. I mean, I think it's a good sounding, good playing guitar. Total money I have into it is $650 US. So if you compare that, you know, that's what you would pay probably for an Epiphone. I'm not knocking Epiphone. Epiphone's doing really good things these days. But you could buy an Epiphone and have a really decent guitar, or for the same amount of money, you could buy this, do the upgrades, and have a phenomenal guitar. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. So yeah, maybe closer to 700 is what I got into it. But either way, for 700 bucks, I got a semi-hollow body that sounds great, plays great, feels great, looks great. You know, hey, how can you go wrong?